How to create private server on Roblox. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make private server on Roblox. To do so, first of all, you need to open your Roblox application on your mobile device, and here make sure you are logged into your account. Also, make sure you have enough Robux in your account. Now, from this section, you need to scroll and find the game. Tap on it to open it. Here at the bottom, you'll be able to see this two human icon. Tap on it. And once doing that, from this drop down, here you'll be able to see create private server option. Tap on this option. And now you will reach to this page. Here you'll be able to see the price of the server you will need to pay in order to create it. Make sure you have the sufficient Robux in your account. Now tap on this create private server. And here tap on buy Robux. Now from here you need to choose one of the options that suits you best and then proceed further in order to create private server. Also, the price for creating private server on different games may be different and not all the games have this option. You will need to find those games that have these options available. So by following these steps, you should be able to create private server on Roblox. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.